Hey guys, welcome back to another Etsy dropshipping video. Today I'm going to do a case study on a £220,000 Etsy dropshipping store. I'm going to show you how they've done it, why it's worked, and how you can do it yourself. So stay tuned because there is a lot of sauce. Here is the store in question, what we're going to go over. Tiny Planet Treasures. So it says they're based in London, however, I know they're dropshipping. Okay, and we will be looking into that. So let's break it down, right? How have they achieved this? How are they going to keep getting these same numbers? And what you can take away from this, right? So look, 12 listings. Okay, so you're thinking 12 listings. Well, Jamie, that goes against everything you've said. You know, you say you want to get to 25 listings. Well, they have 12 listings up because they are 12 winners. So they are doing what I tell you guys. They have cut the fat massively, right? So if we just filter by most recent and we just go down here, you will see, look, okay, so they're still selling this product, right? So this has been here for a while, 2,100 favorites, right? But then if we come in a bit, okay, it's still that product. They no longer sell this, right? They no longer sell this, right? So what they are doing, they're constantly listing items and based around what's happening in the genre they're in. You know, they're in anime, movies, games, that type of stuff, right? Like this, you know, from Joker, you know, Suicide Squad, same kind of thing here, Uncharted, How Moving Anime, you know, Horizon Zero Dawn, etc., right? So they're finding things that are popular at the minute, getting a few products out for it, milking it, and then adapting again, right? So they are probably putting out 4 or 5 products per thing, seeing which one of those products do well, finding out why it does well, adding a few more, boom, right? So they're constantly finding new products and new things that are trending, finding products for them, listing them out, right? So this is kind of what you want to be doing. So find a game, movie, show that is popular. Right, so that's what they're doing. Find boom, boom, boom. Now, find 5 to 10 products for that show. So, what they are doing is they're finding jewelry, they're finding accessories, they could be finding clothing, they could be finding posters, and they're testing. Right, they get them all listed. Boom. Now, wait, I don't know, 10 days. Check the data, see which products are doing well. Okay, so they've gone through, they've looked at unique stats. This product's done 25 favorites in the last 30 days. It's only been up for 10 days. I've had 5 sales on it. Boom, let's keep it. Another one's got 2 visits, no favorites. Let's deactivate it, right? So now what they do is they have maybe 5 of these 10 products are actually getting traction. So now they're going, okay, well, this is a poster. Let's find more similar posters to this one. This is a necklace. Can I find this necklace in different colors and different sizes with different symbols from the show, game, movie, whatever, right? And get them listed. And can I duplicate the listings? Can I now tweak it in a way that Etsy will see this as a unique product, but the customer sees it as the same product, and then it will do the traction. And now they're just repeating. Now they go back here now, so they deactivate under performers, right? And now they go back here, fine, for that trend, boom, 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 get them all listed, boom. Now they're constantly repeating, but they are deactivating down to the bone. They are scrapping down to the bone. If it is not really doing well, they're getting rid of it. They're not wasting time. So look, they are selling a personalized product, and personalized products do very well on Etsy. We all know that. So custom fit collar choker, personalized 35mm letters. So it can be, you know, a sexual based product. It can also be a cosplay because of this, you know, pudding. I forget the character's name. Joker, Harley Quinn, right? So it caters to that niche. It also caters to, you know, for girlfriends, wives, love, relationships, you know, kinky stuff. Okay, so it has this huge appeal to a lot of people, right? So they've been pretty clever with their title on this. 515 favorites. So now look here. They are answering all of the details without going into the actual description, right? Oh, okay, it's made of this. Boom. Okay, it's a buckle closure. Oh, okay, it can be adjusted. Lovely, so it will fit. Okay, I can personalize it too. How do I do that? Oh, personalized. Okay, and it's made to order. Lovely. Right, so they're answering all these questions. Now here, they're not doing a very good job of reinforcing keywords, right? But this thumbnail is really getting it in front of the right people, you know? Like, it clearly shows what it is. It's clearly this Harley Quinn effect, and it's clearly getting people to click it because it looks pretty cool, right? So this just reinforces specific details to the product, not really a sales pitch early on. You know, the sales pitch kind of comes in here, but the sales pitch should be used to naturally and organically flow in the keywords, right, that you are using. You also have to remember that the keywords in these variations are also micro keywords. So you don't have to keep typing out whatever is in here, okay? So then they've got more information and specific specs and the sales pitches. However, they're just not doing a very good job of talking about keywords in the description. Okay, so then we can come down here, custom choker, custom collar, personalized collar, custom choker, bondage collar, personalized choker, vegan leather, custom letters, custom leather. So they're using a lot of the same type of keywords and flows in here. And as you can see here, it's under choker necklaces, and they're the tags they're using, by the way. So let's just check out another listing. This one. So they've got the bestseller on this. It's got nearly 3,900 favorites, 350 reviews just for this one item, and they're using their own UGC. So that is very nice, right? So look here. Why is this doing well? So what we're going to do, just for the sake of this, I'm going to show you it's all being drop shipped. I forgot to do it on this one. And for good measure, let's do that one. Okay, so there's the product there. I looked this one up before, so I know it is here. I'll find it in a sec. There's that product, right? So let me just, for clarification, let me find this product. Okay. There it is, right? So look here, you can put your own letters on it. So this is doing well because it's popular and related to the anime. It's a gift, it's jewelry. Jewelry does very well on Etsy, we all know that. It's adjustable, and they're doing this little combo deal, right? You can get one, you can get two, or you can get both for a set. Boom, lovely. Then again, they are telling you more details about the product before going into the description. And then again, they're putting this above the sales pitch, which I'm not a fan of, right? This information should be down below. Don't just spam your keywords in. You want to be doing a good job of reinforcing and naturally flowing your keywords into your descriptions. Okay, so look here, this is a lot of white space. There's a lot of info here. People don't want to read this. People just want it quickly summarized for them. You know, I always say less is more. If you can explain all of this in 2 sentences, that's what you want to be doing, right? They've also done a good job of getting reviews in. You know, photos with reviews are always great. You want to be doing your best to be messaging every single customer trying to get reviews, okay? So then down here, they haven't took advantage of all the tags, and they've got it into statement rings, okay? So as you can see, very popular product. They've got your own UGC here. You know, they've clearly bought the product to take this, and this also matches up with their aesthetic up here, like you see these ones again. So, you know, the way they have been able to build this store up to 220k plus is by testing, and they are keeping on top of trends. They're keeping on top of, you know, they are watching to see which of their products is doing well, and they're finding similar based products. Okay, they're listing products and then they're cutting them back, right? That is the key to success on Etsy. It's testing, but it's not overwhelming your store. You know, the perfect store is one like this: a little amount of listings and lots of sales, because you know every single item on here is getting sales, right? So look, boom, you know, it's all doing well. 20 baskets, 8, 20, over 20, over 20, boom, boom, boom. So it's all really doing well. It's all working together and it's all growing, right? You know, the algorithm is going to absolutely love this. And as you can see, it's done very well for them. There's a lot of things they can optimize. There's a lot of things they can work on. However, they are now in a position where they don't really need to worry about that. They just need to worry about testing, improving, and keeping customers happy. That is the stage they're at. So this just goes to show, with a bit of testing, with a bit of love, you don't need a huge amount of products on your store, right? You just need to be testing. You just need to be keeping an eye on trends. You just need to be seeing what's doing well and looking at your data, right? Let the data do the talking. You could list a ring. You have no idea why it's doing well, but all of a sudden so many people are coming to it, boom, boom, boom. That's when you want to reverse engineer. You want to, okay, how are they finding this product? Okay, they're all using this search term where I'm appearing. Oh, look, that's an underrated niche. That's an untapped keyword. Let me now find some more products that are going to fit into this keyword. It's super simple once you know how. So this video is designed to just give you the flow, the breakdown, the mindset that you need to go into Etsy to really succeed. And again, look, they are 10,000 sales in dropshipping, okay? So if you do dropshipping on Etsy right, you will crush it. So again, thank you so much for your time in watching this video. It really does mean a lot. Time is precious. So have a wonderful day. And if you could like and subscribe, that would mean a lot.